figured something out in the Jigsaw map. I'm being joined by Fredzy7 again. And yeah, subscribe to her and
don't forget to subscribe to
no, we know how to do every single thing. Watch out the string. Okay, so
yeah.
now this is the hard part. You can. This is just kidding. This is the really easy part. You all the way there? Go 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 go. Alright. So we have to the buttons right here. Is it opening? So I'm freaking stuck. I'm stuck. I am. I'm stuck. Here, but I can press the button though.
It's opening.
I didn't say go without me.
I didn't.
Here, I'll just reset my character. Wait, press pause. It's the only way. Alright.
I'll be waiting another time.
Alright, don't even care. Actually, just do it. Just do wait for me. Because we have to do that part together, so we can see what goes on. So I was playing with Fredzy7, trying how to complete this map, and I figured out how to do it. I think. All right, Sonia, I'm here. Turn around.
How? You didn't tap me.
You were staring at the wall. Watch. You can even watch the video I'm making right now to see you were. No, it wasn't.
Yes, it
is. Wait, let me press the button. You don't know which one it is.
That one.
I know. All right, come on. I have to come here. Now, Sonia, go all the way to the door.
We both have to run.
No, go all the way to the door.
We go right here?
No, here.
Right here?
Yeah, so you can make it. Go. No, I didn't make it.
Oh, I made it on the floor.
All right, press the button.
You did make it.
No, I didn't.
Which one? The red one?
Yeah, press the button. See, it opens for me. And then we're going here. Go. Here, I'll go first then. I'll watch out this glass. At the bottom here. Really? You can't get in?
No.
Alright, I'll just wait for you. Oh, never mind. We gotta like jump. We gotta jump in the hole. We're in the stairs. Are you in? How can you not jump in the... Alright, there we go. We're not... Anyway, we do not trust that one. Which one? Did it kill you? Keep going. I want to see if it kills you or not. It doesn't kill you? Alright. No, yeah, it doesn't kill you. So it's this door. Oh, it just killed me. Oh, so you die if you just end up here. Alright.
Oh, there's another player with us.
Oh, there's another player.
And I just died.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm going.
How do we get 3 players on that?
It's pretty easy. Watch out the stream. Right here.
Let's catch up with that dude. He's waiting for us.
I know. Come on, Sonia. He pressed the button. Oh, I just died.
I got sick. He did that on purpose, huh?
Yeah, he did.
He did that to kill us.
He wants to leave us. Jigsaw is making him do that.
Unless he's just a savage. Yeah, good.
Really, Sonia? Again? Do you need help completing that part?
Is the door opening?
Yeah. Watch out. Get him. If he's there, I'm gonna. Okay. Run! I did it. You're not gonna make it. Oh, you were so close! So close.
Here, you pass it real quick. I'm gonna go listen.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Please.
No, you could do it. Just take it.
You're going out without me, huh?
No, I'm not.
Sounds like you are.
Now we know not to go in the sewers. Because that's where Pennywise is. But, guys, that's where I'm gonna leave it. It's just to show you a secret place I found in the Jigsaw.
I hate this!
And so it makes Sonia rage. Subscribe, like, and,
Ha! Oh,
yeah.
crap.